Alrighty guys, hello and welcome to a day of me changing oil for my 2001 Prelude. It's a 5-speed, I think it has like 206,000 miles on it. So it's not a tutorial, just like my other video when I did my oil change for the Acura. It's just me, going through a day of an oil change for the car. So let's just follow along and let's enjoy the day. Alrighty, for today for the Prelude, I bought me a K&N oil filter HP1004 if anyone wants to use this as reference. And I got me a Castrol GT, not GTX, but Castrol Edge high mileage. I couldn't find the GTX one, but this is fine enough, and I used a 5W30 for this. Not sponsored, but it'd be great if I can get sponsored. Bought this with my own money, and let's get to oil change. Got my pre-fill right here. Now the tools I'll be using today is on my hands and the oil filter clamp tool, and I'll show you why. Let's go down. Now for me, I really need to change my oil pan because there's some crack right here and it's leaking oil. So yeah. But for me, for my oil pan, it's because I have this thumb screw right here that I bought. So I can just use my hand and just twist it and tighten it up. Makes it really easy. So I need to lift this car a little bit higher so I can have some room. It's a truck, garbage truck. So I can just unscrew this by hand. Ah no, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so let me go ahead and twist this off, because normally I have it like a little bit too tight. Now if I have a little bit too tight, which is good, I'll just probably use these vice grips just to twist it off. Vice grips. These thumb screws are really helpful when you do your oil changes and stuff. It's really convenient. There we go. And now I will twist. There we go. Now I gotta make sure I got my oil pan down here. It's gonna spread a lot, so let's back up for a bit. And it's gonna be black like no tomorrow. Twist, twist, twist. I got all black. I love these, little thumb screws for your oil bolt, oil filter bolt, oil pan bolt, whatever. Convenient. I bought it at Rock Auto. I think it's like $2. I like the one with the little magnet stuck on the bottom so it can get all the debris. So I'll just leave this right there, and I'll come back when this thing is done, draining out. So once I have my oil about to be drained, what I like to do is I like to pour half a quart to a quart of brand new oil into the engine so all the old oil can go out. I mean, that's how I do it. Just filter out all the bad stuff. So I'll just go ahead and pour some new oil in here. It should be about a quart, right? Yeah, that's half a quart. And then we should see. Look at that. So I'll wait till cleans out all the bad oil in there, and I'll take out the oil filter next. Alright, so my oil is almost done leaking and stuff, so I'm just going ahead and put the screw back on. My thumb screw, which is right here. There we go. I'm at a bad angle. There we go. And I'm just gonna put it back right up here. Let me go ahead and clean this little bolt first. Okay, just cleaned it off with a napkin. Twist. Tighten by hand. Good. That's what I like about these thumb screws. They're pretty cool. Alright, wipe off the excess oil with a napkin. There we go. That should be good. Now next is taking out the oil filter. And the oil filter for the Prelude is right up there. Now I'm just going to take that oil clamp tool, clamp it, twist it counterclockwise, and then more oil should be coming out. So hold on. Alright, got my oil clamp tool. I'm going to go up here, clamp it on, and I'm going to twist it downwards. Make sure I get a good grip. There we go. There we go. Now it's going. And I think I should twist it off by, yeah, this should be loose enough so I can twist it off by hand. I'm gonna space myself out because I know oil is gonna drip out a lot, so go out here, move the oil pan a little bit closer. Let's see, should be okay. And you guys will see. So by the time I untwist this, there we go. Oil should be coming out a lot. There we go. Yep, there you guys see oil dripping all the way down to the pan. So I'm just gonna let it loose just for a little bit, and then twist it up more slowly. Hopefully it's hitting the pan. Yeah, it's hitting the pan, so that's good. Twist, twist, twist. Counterclockwise. Oop. Move the oil filter up. And voila. Pour the rest of it out. Look at that, black. Leave it over there. It's a good thing I got newspaper down here, so you know. Yeah, I'll clean that later. So once I got the oil filter out, it's pretty cool that I buy K&N. I like K&N filter because they include the sticker too. So with every new oil filter, when you replace it, you always gotta lube this, you know, rubber ring. Because once it makes contact with the engine and it gets hot, and when you have this rubber being dry, you don't want it to crack, and you're gonna have oil leaks. So it's good to lubricate them. If I can take it out, it is. Come on. Yeah, that's how good the oil filters are. Man, this is some fat gasket, man, for this oil filter. Let's go ahead and dip it in here. That's what I like about K&N. They got some good products, man. Dippy, dippy, dippy. Get it very well lubricated. Alright, snap it back onto the filter. There we go. Alright, and it's time to put it back in the car. Alright, I got everything clean, put the oil filter back on, wipe all the excess oil off. Time to pull out the jar. Time to pull out the oil pan and well, not the oil pan, but the, you know what I'm talking about, that little thing that drains out the oil. Put the car back down. So I put the oil back in there, change my oil dipstick, clean it off, check the oil dipstick, clean it one time, count 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, pour it out, check the oil. And look at that, clean oil. Let's do it again. The camera's trying to focus, but hopefully you guys can see it. Clean oil, done. Got a short ram, AEM intake, NGK spark plug wires. Alright, let's close the hood, write down the miles, start the car up and go for a test drive. Alright, back in my car, got my little K&N sticker right here. How many miles do I got? I have 208,000 miles. Well, I bought this car at 188,000 miles back in 2014, and I only used this car to go back and forth from work. And the last time I did an oil change for this car was back in December 14th, and right now it's already May. Holy crap. I'm overdue big time for an oil change. Let me get my marker because my marker fell down in the seat. I hate it when things fall under the seat. Alright, let's write down the stuff. Current mileage 208 170, so 208 170. Next mileage change every 3,000 miles, so it's 211 if this car can survive for that long. 170. But I mean, I do my best to take care of my cars, you know. Date? What is today's date? Today's the 9th, right? That's the output. May 5 9 2020. Man. Alright. Take this sticker off. Out with the old and in with the new sticker. Put it right up here. Yeah. Time to go for a little bit of a test drive, guys. Start this baby up. Neutral, it's a 5-speed too. Don't want copyright issues. Get that new. Yeah, I need to fix that. Well, yeah, anyways guys, that's how I do my oil change for my Prelude. I'm gonna go out for a drive, get some gas, and use this car back again at work. I've been using the other car to go to work, so yeah. If you guys find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. If you guys don't, that's okay. I'll take thumbs down. I don't care. Comment, like it, say what else you want to say, and I really need to figure out this issue right here. So take it easy, guys. See you guys on the next video.